How to fix WhatsApp status problem. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp status problem or status could not send problem on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your control center. Under control center, you need to go and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds or for a few minutes. Once you've done that, now you need to turn off your airplane mode, and now it will refresh your network settings and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps, and here you need to scroll all the way down and choose your WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you don't have any updates, because if you have any updates, then you might find some kind of problems. So you need to search for WhatsApp, and under WhatsApp, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Now you can open up your WhatsApp and post a status, and you'll be able to post it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.